Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel. Today we will learn these topics. Learn present perfect tense, negative sentences and interrogative sentences. Let's start. He has ridden bicycle. He has not ridden bicycle. Has he ridden bicycle? The cook has baked the cake. The cook has not baked the cake. Has the cook baked the cake? She has plucked the flower. She has not plucked the flower. Has she plucked the flower? He has painted the wall. He has not painted the wall. Has he painted the wall? Hina has studied math. Hina has not studied math. Has Hina studied math? Ali has talked to his teacher. Ali has not talked to his teacher. Has Ali talked to his teacher? She has cleaned the living room. She has not cleaned the living room. Has she cleaned the living room? I, we, you, they और plural noun के साथ have का इजाफा किया जाता है. I have brushed my teeth. I have not brushed my teeth. Have I brushed my teeth? I have cleaned the living room. I have not cleaned the living room. Have I cleaned the living room? They have talked to each other. They have not talked to each other. Have they talked to each other? Salma and Ali have talked to each other. Salma and Ali have not talked to each other. Have Salma and Ali talked to each other? You have fixed the car. You have not fixed the car. Have you fixed the car? We have talked to each other. We have not talked to each other. Have we talked to each other? If you like my video, then please share and subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz.